Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the NeoRetro R36S, a compact handheld gaming device that's been generating quite a bit of buzz online. On paper, it sounds like a retro lover's dream, boasting 15,000 preloaded games, a 3.5-inch HD screen, and a Linux-based operating system that lets you save your progress whenever you want. It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, usually when something sounds too good to be true, it's because someone is trying to sell you a bridge, or in this case, a plastic box of broken promises. Let's see if this device is actually worth your time. The first red flag popped up the moment we looked at the product images. Instead of seeing the actual device in a real-world setting, the website is littered with stock photos lazily copied from across the internet. It's a bold move for a brand to be too shy to even photograph their own product. But I suppose hiring a photographer was too expensive after they spent their entire budget on borrowing images from Google. When a seller can't even show you the item they are supposedly shipping, it's time to start asking some very uncomfortable questions. Then there is the marketing, which is about as subtle as a megaphone in a library. They're hitting you with every high-pressure tactic in the book, save 32%, free screen protector, and claims that over 1,000 units have been sold just today. My personal favorite is the bundle deal where you can save a life-changing 50 cents if you buy two. Nothing says premium tech quite like a discount that wouldn't even cover the cost of a gumball. It's clear they aren't selling a gaming experience. They're selling a sense of urgency. Now, let's talk about that headline-grabbing claim of 15,000 games. While that number looks impressive on a box, the reality is likely a digital junkyard of tiny, ancient files, pirated copies, and enough duplicates to make your head spin. Imagine trying to scroll through a list of 15,000 titles just to find one that actually launches without crashing. It's not a library, it's a nightmare. And let's be honest, the chances of every single one of those games being functional are about as high as me becoming a professional ballerina by next Tuesday. To make matters worse, the customer support is a complete ghost town. We searched for an email address, a phone number, or even a basic live chat, but we found absolutely nothing. If your device arrives, and it's nothing more than a very expensive paperweight, your only option for support will be shouting your frustrations into a nearby pillow. Investing money into a product with zero accountability is a risk that usually ends in a very sad, very empty wallet. Finally, we have the reviews. The testimonials on their own website are suspiciously glowing, yet a quick search on Trustpilot or Reddit reveals absolutely nothing. It's almost as if the product only exists in a magical vacuum where criticism hasn't been invented yet. The bottom line is that the NeoRetro R36S is a parade of red flags, from the fake photos to the aggressive sales tactics. Our advice is to approach this one with extreme caution. Better safe than sorry, right? Thanks for watching, friends. If you found this reality check helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.